Hey, gorgeous minds, welcome back to Gorgeous Way to Learn. Do you ever feel stuck because you translate every word in your head before speaking English? Do you feel stuck while speaking English? Maybe you think in your native language first, then try to translate it into English, and then the words come out slowly, or sometimes not at all. That's the problem most learners face. But imagine this. What if your brain could think directly in English? No translating, no hesitation, just smooth, natural English. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how to train your brain to do that. And if you stay with me until the end, you'll already be practicing with me in real time. Step 1. Switch your inner voice to English. Here's your first step. Change your inner voice. When you're walking, cooking, or even daydreaming, try talking to yourself in English. Example, instead of thinking, I need to cook dinner, in your native language, say in your mind, I need to cook dinner. At first, it feels slow, but with practice, your brain gets used to processing thoughts directly in English. Step 2. Use micro situations daily. Second step. Practice with small daily situations. Don't wait for a big English test or meeting. Use English in tiny, simple ways every day. For example, when you see a bus, think, that's the bus I usually take. When you're eating, think, this tastes delicious. When you're tired, think, I need some rest. These micro situations train your brain like mini workouts for English. Step 3. Input equals output. Step 3 is powerful. Input creates output. The more English you read, watch, and listen to, the easier it becomes to think in English. But here's the secret. Don't just passively watch movies. Pause and repeat sentences aloud. Shadow the speaker. Pretend you're in the scene. This transforms English from something you study into something you live. Step 4. Stop translating. Start associating. Here's another big one. Stop translating word for word. Instead, connect English words directly with images, emotions, and actions. For example, when you hear the word dog, don't think of the translation in your language. Picture a dog, hear it bark, imagine playing with it. This is how native speakers think, and your brain can too. Wrap up call to action. So, let's recap quickly. 1. Switch your inner voice to English. 2. Use micro situations daily. 3. Get more input and practice shadowing. 4. Stop translating. Start associating. If you apply these steps, you'll notice your brain becoming faster and more natural in English every single day. Remember, fluency is not magic. It's training, and your brain is ready to learn. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Gorgeous Way to Learn, and share it with a friend who wants to level up their English. See you in the next video. Keep training your brain and keep growing smarter every day.